Hello my friend, the database are you gonna be learning in this course is MySQL. It's very popular because it's open source and it's been active in development for about 20 years. So for using MySQL I need to go in the website to XAMPP. So I need to download this exam from here. I'm waiting the download. Like here, we must wait some time. So when I finish to download the exam, I go to folder download and I find the file here. I do run and I start to install the XAMPP. I do next. I choose the folder and the hard disk. And I do next the language English. I'm waiting some time for installing the XAMPP. So here we do finish for the installation and we go to the folder when we have XAMPP. I enter here and I find this XAMPP controller. So I find this table. We can put start here for Apache and start for MySQL. If I put admin, I find this page when we can manipulate everything about MySQL. So here in this lesson we watch how we can download and install XAMPP. Thanks for all my friends and join me in the next video.